Hello, everyone. This is Ashutosh Divedi here. You are most welcome on my YouTube channel. This is my eighth video of English Speaking Challenge. As you know, these days I am creating solo videos to improve my confidence while speaking in front of camera alone. So these are solo videos. Keep watching and keep just watch this video till the end. So, yesterday in the last video, I talked about my favorite teacher, and today I'm going to talk about my favorite subject. As I told you in my previous videos, that I was not very good in studies till 10th standard because I didn't like living in hostel and I was struggling so much. So till 10th, I didn't have any favorite subject and I didn't score well. I used to score average marks in every single subject. But after 10th, as I told you, I decided to study commerce further. And when I chose commerce, and I told you my favorite teacher was accountancy. So that's why I started studying accountancy as much as I can. Yes, it is the main subject of commerce stream. It was difficult for me to do good in this subject. In the beginning, I was not confident from first day onwards, but I had a hope that I would be able to perform well. And due to the support of my brilliant or the great teacher, I was able to make it happen. So I loved this subject. I started studying that throughout the day. And most of the time, I would study accountancy. I wouldn't study economics, business studies, and Hindi also, or English. No, but most of the time, I would give to this subject, which is accountancy. So it became one of my favorite subjects. Actually, it was my favorite subject. I studied English as well. Yes, after accountancy, I would say I liked English and Hindi. I was good in languages. I scored really well in languages. I would say due to languages only, I was able to get good percentage. Okay. So, but it was my favorite subject, and I started studying throughout the day. And due to the support of my teacher, whenever I would struggle, I would go to him and I would ask questions. That was my routine. But do you know what happened? When I wrote my exam, I I got lowest mark just marks in this subject, lowest marks in this subject of accountancy. Even though till now I consider it one of my favorite subjects and the favorite subject, I would say, but I was not able to score well. There was a fear. I was not able to complete my exam. I couldn't attempt all questions. I don't know why. That was the only, I can say, the exam when I felt the fear of losing something, fear of missing something, that I was not able to complete that paper. And I had high expectations from that subject, and I couldn't make it happen. So that did not happen with me only. That happened with few of my friends as well, who were good in accountancy, who were really good in concepts. They were able to teach others classmates, but in exam they couldn't do well. Same thing happened with me. So, but actually, even though I scored lowest marks in this subject, but I couldn't say this is not my favorite subject. It is my favorite subject till now. I didn't score well. So that's what I want to tell you, that if you do not score well in any subject, it doesn't mean this is not your favorite. Favorite means you like studying a lot, you like enjoying solving questions, you like studying at any time. But maybe due to some circumstances, you couldn't, or just you can't perform well in exam, so that can take place, and it happened with me. So but I would say my favorite subject was accountancy, and the credit goes to my teacher, my accounting sir. Due to him only I was able to make it my favorite subject. Otherwise, accountancy is considered as one of the difficult subjects of this stream. So but I tried my level best and I was able to make it happen. I was good in calculating, I was good in accounting, I would say. I would sit in the first bench and I would try to give answer as early as possible. I would just solve the questions in a very good way. I would make all the specimen with this with the, I would say, the scale, with the help of scale. So that's what I did, and till now, and my teacher, my sir, used to give example to others by taking my notebook and to show this to others. The way I used to present this was amazing. That even though I used to feel really happy, I used to make all the accounts in a proper way. But that was there. But unfortunately, I couldn't score well in that subject. But then also, I wouldn't say this is not my favorite subject. Till now, I feel accountancy was my first favorite subject. Accountancy is my favorite subject. Or maybe in future also, it will be my favorite subject. But nowadays, as I'm into English, so I love English as well. So moreover, it is not a subject which I do right now. It's a skill that I'm working on, spoken English. So this is a skill. So now I like this skill, but my favorite subject is accountancy. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. And I would request you guys to watch all these videos to understand that how to speak on camera. And you can also take challenge. You can take a small topic and start speaking on it for 2 minutes and start recording yourself without having a teacher as well. You are going to get a great help by recording your videos. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.